Hi there, it's Mike here from Harraway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just thought I'd take a moment around this 2017 67 reg Citroen Berlingo wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us for sale at the moment. This particular one was converted by GM Coachworks and has seating for 3 plus space for the wheelchair or mobility scooter. So 2 chairs in the front, 1 chair in the rear. The third seat you can tip up or you can remove it if you need that little bit more space. It also comes with a bifold rear ramp with a shallow climb. Can help obviously pushing the wheelchair up. It was an Ex Motability vehicle, so it's only had 1 owner from new. I'd say it's super low miles, it's only done 9,800 miles from new. I should expect for a car of that miles, it's all lovely and clean and tidy. So it's also Euro 6 compliant as well. It comes with front fog lights and front LED daytime running lights. Let's just take you inside and show you some of the driver's side. So there's your mileage, 9,891 miles. With your CD radio, it also has Bluetooth for your mobile phone and also has an auxiliary input there as well. Comes with a passenger airbag. That's all your air conditioning controls and your electric windows. Down here, 2 keys. That's all your controls for your electric mirrors and your traction control system. The driver's seat is also adjustable for height, so you get that perfect driving position. So that's the third rear seat, and as I said earlier, you can tip that seat up or remove it altogether, so you don't need any tools. So there you have it. If that's of interest or if you've got any more questions about the vehicle, then please do get in touch. Either give me a call or send me an email. Thanks for watching.